I don't know how I feel about this dress. I feel like a princess in this dress. I'm obsessed. Hi loves, welcome back to today's video and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Fabiola and I love creating all kinds of pink and girly videos. If that's something you love, then go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. Click the bell notification and follow me on my Instagram, FABIOLAGOFFICIal. I'll leave you all the links and handles down below. That being said, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So I placed an order from ZARA. I ordered a bunch of spring dresses and I can't wait to show you the beautiful dresses that I got. So we're going to be trying them out today and I'm just so excited because I love ZARA. That's one of my favorite places to shop at. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off with the dress that I'm currently wearing. Isn't it beautiful? Like, I love everything about this dress. The color is gorgeous. It's like a bubblegum pink color. So pretty. I love that it has these little ruffle details and it's almost like layered. It's just so beautiful, like so girly, and I'm obsessed. The top right here is a stretchy material, almost kind of like a jersey, and it is double, so it is very thick. It's just very nice. There's no like see-through or anything. It does have like this nice deep V, and it is a halter dress, so it has like a halter top right here on the top. So beautiful. My only complaint with this dress is that it's just a little too short. So I'll definitely be wearing shorts underneath. I actually wear shorts every time I wear a dress, but this one, you definitely need some shorts. I am 5'6" for reference and I ordered everything size medium. So, I mean, if you're a little shorter than 5'6", this would probably be perfect, but I don't even think I'm like that tall, but this is definitely like very short. Here's the back of the dress and the strap details. It's so pretty. It's very different than any other dress that I've seen. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you love pink, then you're definitely going to love this dress. It's very girly, like very girly, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Like, I feel like a princess in this dress. I'm obsessed. Up next is this gorgeous hot pink bodycon dress. I am loving this dress. The quality and the material of this dress is beautiful. It is very thick and it's very stretchy. So I'm very pleased with this dress. It doesn't have any zippers or anything. It's just like very stretchy, and I love the details on this dress. Check it out. It has little bow details right here on the sides. Like, how stunning. I am obsessed. This is so beautiful and the color is just perfection. This is the back of the dress. It does have like a very deep back, which looks so pretty and very elegant. I believe this dress only came in a hot pink color, but if you love pink, you're definitely gonna love this dress. This is like gorgeous, like such a perfect dress for the summer. This dress is giving me princess vibes. I am in love with the quality of the dress and just the way it looks. It is such an elegant dress. This literally is like elegant and girly and everything you can think of. It is gorgeous. The material is beautiful. It is very soft and it's stretchy. It does have layers, so it's not see-through, which I totally love, and I just love the length. Like, this is the perfect length. It's not too short, not too long. It's perfect. And check out the details of the front of the dress. This is what sold me when I saw this online. It is so pretty. Like, what a beautiful dress. And I did pick up 3 white dresses just because during spring and summer I do wear a lot of whites and pinks, but I think honestly my favorite color in the spring and summer is white. So that's why I picked up 3 dresses. So this is dress number 1 in white. Here's the back of the dress. Here is this other white dress, and this one is really comfortable. I really love it. It is a little bit loose on me, but I think this is the style. It's supposed to be more like on the loose side. And just ignore the pink bra because I couldn't find my white one to do the try on haul, but it is gorgeous. It has like little eyelets throughout the entire dress. It is beautiful, like little eyelet details. I love the sleeves. They're not like long, but they're like nice and like puffy on the side. Check out the front of the dress. Isn't it so pretty? And I love the detail here on the waist because it kind of makes everything look like cinched in. This dress also has these like button details right here, and again, they were very hard for me to put on, but I think that's just because my nails are like super long. But other than that, it is a gorgeous dress. It is also lined, so it is not see-through. I really like that it's a very like loose, flowy dress, but it looks like very elegant at the same time. And the sleeves are definitely my favorite. This dress is perfect to go out to dinner or go out on a date night. It's gorgeous, and I ordered it in black because I don't normally wear black that often. But when it comes to going out to dinner or things like that, I think black is always like such a good color because it just goes with everything. And this dress is just gorgeous. Like, I love the details on this dress, and that's why I love shopping at ZARA, because all their outfits are very unique, like very different, but very elegant. I'm obsessed with this dress. I can't wait to wear this out with like some nice high heels and a nice purse with my little Labubus. But I think this dress is gorgeous. Everything about it. Love it. Okay, this dress is personally my favorite out of the entire dresses. Like, wow. Just check this dress out. It is gorgeous. It is all eyelet. It's like an eyelet dress, and it does have a little slip on the bottom, so it's not fully see-through, only like the bottom part is, but the slip on the top here is just perfect. And check out the details on this dress on the back. Check out how stunning it is. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm obsessed with it. I love the details in the back. It also has those little eyelet details on the straps. Everything about this dress is gorgeous. This is definitely such a beautiful dress. And I love that the back is like very like low. It is beautiful. I can't wait to wear this. This is definitely a dress that I would wear out to dinner, on a date night. Definitely for the summer. Like, I'm obsessed with this dress. We're down to the last dress, and it's also a white one. I don't know how I feel about this dress. I was very excited about it, and it's gorgeous. Don't get me wrong. This dress is beautiful, like the quality. I love the halter detail here. It's like a V-neck, and it just ties in the back. The only thing with this dress is that it's extremely short. Why does ZARA make them so short? Like, do people really wear super short dresses like this? Like, I can't. But the dress is gorgeous. Very pretty. It does have a double layer, but if you can check the back, the layer is not even down to my bum. So like, you definitely have to wear something with this, like shorts or something, because it is just extremely short. I don't know why the top layer is all the way up here. But this is the back. It's like a halter dress, and that's such a shame because the dress itself is stunning. If only they would add more length to it, it would be perfect. But like I said, I am 5'6", so it's not like I'm like super tall. So if you're taller than 5'6", this is definitely going to be like right up there. If you're shorter than 5'6", you might be able to get away with it. But yeah, I don't know. I might end up returning this dress just because it's like super short and I just don't feel comfortable wearing it. But other than that, it is a gorgeous dress. So that was it for today's Zara try-on haul. I really hope you loved it. I will be linking all the dresses in today's video down in the description bar below. And I might go back and get a few more things because everything that I got in this package I loved, except for the white dress. I don't know. What do you think? Do you think it's too short? Should I return it? Should I get something else? But other than that, everything I'm obsessed. Every time I order from Zara, it never disappoints me. So I really hope you loved it. I love you all so, so much. And I hope you have an incredible rest of your week. Bye.